guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how to handle a rude cashier. So my friends and I, we do a collaboration every single month. It is a question and answer series where you guys ask us questions and we answer them. So the top comment that I got, the top question I got was how to handle a rude cashier. So there are so many ways you could go about handling a rude cashier, but what I do is I just don't let it bother me. So what I do, if I encounter a rude cashier, it all depends on how much time I have. If I have enough time, then I'll just ask the cashier, hey, like, can I have your manager do my checkout for me? Because sometimes the cashiers, they get rude because they're just not educated with coupons. So they just don't know how to do it. You know, maybe it's their first day on the job. I don't know. There's a long list of reasons why people can be rude. There's a long list of reasons why people can be unhappy. And it goes beyond, you know, coupons. It's beyond coupons, you guys. Maybe the person doesn't like their job. Maybe they're, who knows? But if I have the time, I'll just say, you know what, can I just talk to your manager? And then I'll just let the manager know, hey, I have a lot of coupons. Like, can you help me? Like, I'm not afraid to say, hey, I want help from someone else. Like, I'll step aside and, you know, go about my business. 2 years ago, that was not me. I distinctly remember this issue I had at CVS. I was trying to use a buy one, get one free coupon on dog food. And it was a manager, in fact, that was doing my checkout. And he told me I couldn't use a buy one, get one free coupon on a buy one, get one free promo. And I was livid. I was so mad. I called him out by name on, I think, my video. I called him out by name on my Instagram. I did that. And granted, I was 38 weeks pregnant. I was humongous. I was over being pregnant and I was already irritated and I was just trying to get dog food. And I just remember coming home to my mom and I was like, Mom, you will never believe what the CVS cashier did to me. He wouldn't take my coupon. I was just trying to get dog food. Like, I was like a mess. So what I did is I just went to another CVS and the cashier that helped me, there was no issues. So I think a lot of times when we have issues with the cashiers, it's just because they really don't know how to handle the coupons either. And I think that that is the store's responsibility. It is the store's responsibility to train their employees on couponing. So what I do now, if I have an issue where the cashier is just not coupon friendly or they're rude to me or they really don't know what's going on, the only thing I will do is I will talk to the manager and I'll say, hey, like, I think so-and-so needs a little bit more training when it comes to couponing because I don't think they quite get it yet. And if I have to call corporate, that is the only thing I do. I say, hey, like, I visited your store at this time. They might need a little bit more education when it comes to couponing because there are a lot of couponers out there and maybe they just aren't trained the way they should. So that's kind of how I go about handling rude cashiers. So I know that that can be something really difficult to do, especially in the moment, especially, you know, we're humans and we get upset when someone isn't treating us right. But always remember that everyone has a story. Everyone has something going on, and just because a cashier is rude to you doesn't mean you need to be rude back to them. Honestly, it's the golden rule, you guys. Just treat people the way you want to be treated, and that's all you really need to do. So, you know, you don't need to go and, you know, curse out the cashier or threaten to never shop at their store again, because let's be honest, as couponers, we're probably going to go back and coupon at, you know, CVS or Target. Like, even if Target or CVS wrongs me, I'm still going to go back and coupon there because couponing is life to me. So I will never boycott a store or anything like that because let's get real. I probably go to Target about 3 times a week. So me saying I'm never going to shop at Target again is a bold-faced lie. Like, that is not ever going to happen. I think I did a worse cashier experience at Target or worst couponing experience video at Target. Granted, I was super pregnant. So there's like a trend. When I do like rant videos like that, I tend to be pregnant. So it must be like a hormonal thing with me because now I look back at that video now and I'm like, you know what? I probably could have just vented this story to my husband and I really didn't need to put it on the internet, but I did it anyways. But hey, you're not gonna get mad at a super pregnant lady. So yeah, that was me about 3 months ago, 4 months ago, 5 months ago. I don't even know. How old is Tanner? He's 4 months. That was probably about 6 months ago when I did that video. But I just want to throw this video out there to encourage you guys, especially on Sunday as we're starting our couponing deals of the week and everything. You know, if you have a rude cashier, just, you know, give them a smile and say, you know what, maybe I'll coupon it another time, or can your manager come? And even if the manager isn't very nice, then maybe just find a new store to coupon at. Find where you're comfortable, because couponing, hold on. I just wanted to be included in this video. And I totally get it, you guys, because couponing, especially, you know, when you're new, it can be really stressful because you're doing something new and you may be nervous if you're holding up a line or you're not sure if a coupon deal is going to work out. Like, I know the anxiety that comes along with couponing because sometimes you never know. But my best advice to you guys with dealing with a rude cashier is just to brush it off your shoulder and move on to the next couponing deal. Like, don't get too upset about it. Don't let it ruin your day. Just remember, you know, couponing is supposed to be fun. Like, let's keep the fun in couponing, because couponing is fun, isn't it, Tanner? Isn't it, Tanner? So I hope you found this video encouraging and helpful, especially when you're going out and doing your deals. So Tanner and I hope that you guys have a fantastic start to your couponing week, and we will talk to you guys all later. Tanner, there he is. Is that Tanner and Mama? There's the baby. There's the baby.